Hey DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today we're doing this super simple, easy, do-it-yourself Lazy Susan. So I have this Lazy Susan that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Of course, it was $1, and it's just your typical Lazy Susan, but I wanted to dress it up a little better than that. I found this faux wood at Burlington Coat Factory on clearance for $6.99. So this just will give it a nice little rustic look. So for the video, I'm just using hot glue, but you would want to use like a more permanent glue like A6000. So you're just going to go ahead and add your glue to the Dollar Tree Lazy Susan, and then just glue it to that faux wood, and then you'll have this beautiful rustic Lazy Susan. I'm going to use it in the middle of my island, my kitchen island, for like salt and pepper and a couple other spices. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy DIY idea. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think about this easy DIY, and I'll catch you guys really soon in the next video.